Hi guys, Lindsay. In this video I just want to show you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S10. You want to go into settings and you want to scroll. You want to go to general management there and you can see reset here. You want to click reset and here you have the options to choose from. So if you want to perform a factory data reset, go right ahead and you can factory reset your device. You will lose all of your information. You will need to make sure that you have your Google account checked because it will ask you for your Google verification code. So all we have to do is to just hit reset the device and we are good to go. But at this time I don't want to reset this device, so I'm just doing this video to help those who don't know how to do this and those who are experiencing difficulty in doing so.